Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Bangalore, and in this episode we will be looking at how to repot your Adenium saplings. So you might remember from one of my earlier episodes I had taken some cuttings from the mother Adenium plant, and I have found success by actually growing two Adenium saplings. So here you can see the Adenium saplings are doing really well, and they have kind of grown a little too big for their existing container. So it is the right time for you to repot your Adenium cuttings. So you do not really have to go for a big container etc. for the Adenium. The Adenium will do really well in very shallow containers as well. Sometimes Adeniums are grown as bonsais in very small containers, so you do not really have to worry about the pot size. So you can see how well rooted this plant is. It's formed a small caudex as well. Caudex is nothing but that modified stem which stores a lot of water in the Adenium. So Adenium is almost like a succulent, or a succulent if you could call it so, because it stores water in its leaves, stems and roots. So the Adenium definitely likes a lot of well draining soil. So the potting medium that I am using is 50% compost and 50% sand, and this is the best or the ideal potting mix for the Adenium plant. So after placing some drainage materials at the bottom of this container, I will be adding the potting mix. Now place the Adenium sapling in the center. So the thumb rule is one plant per pot, because the Adenium definitely needs some space to grow. It has these huge caudex and that requires an ample amount of space. So now after placing the plant in the middle of this container, what you can do is place this under full sun, and you can water this probably every day. You can reduce the watering during winters. However, since we have transplanted this now, we can water it for some time and then reduce watering after it is well established in the potting mix. Another important thing about this is that if at all you're growing an Adenium from seeds, you may not know what kind of flowers might come. But if you are growing from stem cuttings, you may be rest assured that you will have the same color of flowers as that of your mother plant. So now the only thing left is giving it a very good shower, and if at all during the process of giving it a good shower the soil kind of caves in, then you can add extra soil and compact the soil so that it does not cave in when you are watering. So it is a very easy thing to propagate the Adenium, because it really costs a bomb in the nursery. The last time I checked, it was around 500 rupees for a very mature Adenium. So you can save yourself from going to the nursery and purchasing such costly plants by just propagating them at home and following Urbanscape Bangalore's tips as well. So that is it, folks. Thank you for watching Urbanscape Bangalore. I have been putting up some videos every day this week, so I will be taking some rest, and I am also traveling to Calicut next week. So until I come back, keep watching Urbanscape Bangalore, and also do not forget to subscribe.